Okay, well, I just ordered Boston pizza. Should be here in like half hour or so. Yeah, I think I'm gonna vlog tonight so that I can edit it and get it up tomorrow morning. I just finished editing the other one. If you probably already seen it. It was Boxing Day one. Pretty long. The Christmas Day was like super long. Took me all day to edit it and stuff. But yeah, we're not doing too much. Just my mom and my brother are home. They're downstairs. So I think I'm gonna go down there. And yeah, just wait for my food to come, cause I'm hungry. I've eaten one waffle today. That was when I woke up. And that's about it. So I'm pretty hungry. Yesterday was super fun. Pretty awesome hanging out with our family and stuff. We haven't done that for a while. I'm gonna go downstairs now. I'm gonna vlog tonight so I can edit it and upload it tomorrow morning.
Oh, so you're videoing me right now?
Yep.
Working on my schedule. See how many kids I got for when I gotta take time off.
Johnny, why are your arms flying around everywhere?
I don't know. Why you're riding a Barbie bike?
Emily told me she was quitting her job today
You got the matching dollhouse too, huh?
because she thinks she's gonna get fired tomorrow anyway.
All right, Joe, last one more. Everybody tuck your arms.
Pretty boring down there. Let's see. On my iPad, wait for my food to come, and I'll start her up again. See what I got. I got my supper. Got a Boston Brute. Super good. So I'm gonna eat that, and I'll come back to you guys after I'm done that.
Just lands it. Wanna try?
Sure. Let's do a burger.
When it goes by my head, just edit it, just totally chop my head off. Oh, it's so brutal.
When you break skin.
Maybe.
Troy. That's who you're talking
Yeah.
about. Yeah.
Yeah, your mom or your Shelly's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lives down the street from Megan's dad.
Oh, behind our old place.
Yeah. Over there.
And so does she? No, she doesn't work.
Too bad I wasn't going in for surgery. I would GoPro it. That'd be fun. It'd be cool.
I didn't think they would let you.
Yep. Why not?
You need a long card for that.
Charge my new battery thing. What do you see when you go like a scope down my throat?
Well, they just put a little camera.
Yeah,
Like, they
like
wouldn't be-
like on the screen when you see.
Oh yeah, they
yeah.
would be watching it on the screen.
Maybe I'll do that next time. Tell them to GoPro it. Put it on their head and just go. That'd be fun.
I don't even want to deal with that. We gotta take this with us.
What is that?
Cool. This is a list. This is all the drugs you take.
It's a lot of drugs.
My mom's new coffee mug that she got for Christmas.
I got her that one. That was yesterday.
They're all awesome. I can't fit them all on my warmer. And I can't put them in the cupboard because there's too many.
Those ones were. I only got them because they were super cheap. I just bought one and get one for $1. So.
Oh, really?
Fix the lights up there, super bright. Yeah, and we fixed them in the bathroom.
You know, sometimes you just want to do this.
Eat some whipped cream.
Yeah.
What? Oh, I fell down. Awesome painting on my wall. Did that in like a day and a half. Pretty deadly. I just free-handed it onto my wall. This is my stocking stuff. Oh, Jesus. That's all the stuff in my stocking. This thing is deadly. Like, I'll show you. It's like a hot dog roaster or marshmallow, whatever you want. Take off these ends and yeah, put it on fire. It goes up real small, so that's a good part about it. Take it everywhere. Put it in your pocket. And then some like just chocolate, candy, hot chocolate, gum, awesomeness, spits, shaving cream, razor, and salt and vinegar, popcorn, dressing, whatever you want to call it. Tux bar. Oh, I had that last night. My blood sugar was super low, and I barely remembered, but Kyle told me this morning. I went out into the living room. They were playing. It was like midnight. They're just finishing up like Cards Against Humanity. Kyle, my mom, Trapper, and Emily. And my blood sugar was like super low. And I went out into the kitchen, and like my mom came into the kitchen to grab like orange juice or something. Because I just walked up there. I was just in my underwear, and they're like, "Noah, are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm just gonna grab a drink." And there's like a whole bunch of like pop and stuff over there because a Boxing Day last night. We just had everything over there. So I grabbed like a 2 liter of Coke and whatever. I just like, it was brand new. I just opened it and like chugged like a quarter of a bottle. And my mom came running. She's like, "Oh no, what are you doing? It's not diet." And my blood sugar was super low. So she just gave me like a whole bunch of orange juice. And then I wasn't feeling good after that. So she gave me orange juice and like toast and jam. And then I went to bed. And I had the Tux bar. That's why I was up in there. But we had like our family gift exchange kind of thing. And my dad bought this from Dollarama. I took that out of it and I had, well, there's some of everything open, but a bunch of this. And then there was a Kit Kat and I think that's it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. So hopefully you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow.